Yeah, I taped over the Raleigh logos because I had a hard time finding any logos of Raleigh anywhere that would suit the bike that were original. So as you can see down in here, I've kept the logo, but I put tape around and sprayed, left that section. So I have to touch up that section now by hand, I suppose. That's what I'm trying anyways. Yeah, I was wondering, when I flicked this freewheel it wouldn't go back properly. It worked a little bit, so I loosened this off and it started working a bit. But then I saw some little wire hanging out here, so I took the ratchet off and realized that the previous owner has got something caught in here and it went inside the back of the hub. And I opened her up, took the sprocket out here and the cover, and look what I found here. It's like fishing line, and that is why that wasn't spinning freely, and it's taken me a while to get that out. I also have it all cleaned, so it's looking really quite well. We're up here, see? That's pretty good considering how old it is. So there you go. This is another wheel ready for the bike. Put your gear shifter on 2. There you go. Now you go down to the bottom and adjust your 3 shifter cable. Right? And you can see there's a little bar sticking out here. The little bar, and then the chain is hitched to it. The end of the hub of the steering, the shaft of the bike is where that lineup should be. So basically, let's go back up here. There's my rough adjustment on this holder here with the cable coming back down here. And you push that up as far as you can till you get it to around here so that it's close. And you tighten it up. And then, now you've got it really close, you just loosen this here and you ease it back until that shaft goes right in there. Did you see that? I'll do it again. See the little shaft there? It's got to line up with the shaft on the bike. Right there, and then you lock this. Now the gear shifter should work.